Haven't you seen your mom and dad start turning your father's beard is turning grey, your mother's hair is turning grey, you start to see the wrinkles, you start to see them becoming a bit weaker. Where's your rahmah gone towards your parents, bro? Where's your mercy gone towards your parents? Where's your love gone towards your parents? My brothers would rather take money, do a 9 to 5, and spend more money on their girlfriend or their boyfriend, a'udhu billah, and they go out there in order for them to please their partner, and for the end of the day, what happens? They fall into filthiness under the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Is this the reality of a Muslim? My brothers, the youngsters that are here, I'm so happy to see youngsters in the masjid. You have gems in your community.